All right, let's see how it's working. Actually, yeah, forgot to start with which. All right, let me check the sound. Okay, I guess I'm online. Hi everyone. Let me bring the music and we will start. Let's click at some random track. Alright, that will do it. Okay, so let's just continue from where we stopped. So what we were doing, okay. All right, so we had like some problems here, some glitches. Let me check. Okay, turret, ranged monster with face. Okay. Yeah, I think this is what I forgot. Let me restructure it a little bit. I think that makes much more sense. Okay. That's what we were doing, right? Okay, scaling here. And yeah. Okay. Actually, return doesn't make sense here because we do resolve. Okay, so now we go here. Okay, so all this setup mesh is gone, and these guys are working fine, in fact. So yeah, I can trigger them. Yes, deals damage. Try to attack. Okay. Now the last problem is that Cat Demon is not being spawned. So let's see how it goes. I think I know why it's happening. Oh no, it's not the reason. So we load resources right away. And I get daemon here, so it's loaded as a resource, and when we come here, we kind of should have all resources, and it should spawn it. Well, I guess there is only one way to find out, is to go into the sources and check it from there. Okay, so spawn monsters. Yeah, so let's stop here and see how it goes. So it's melee chaser, combat unit, melee chaser, flying combat unit, turret. Okay, we have cat demon instance, okay. And let's see definitions here. Monster pack. Yeah, okay. Cat demon instance. And in our resource loader, yeah. So everything looks okay here so far. Maybe something happened with projectile, I don't know. Actually, do we initialize it here? Let's see, let's go step by step. Okay, so okay, mesh exists. That's good. Okay. Okay, that thing should be fine. Alright, projectile pack, projectile type fireball. Okay, so it dies here because okay, these projectiles undefined. Okay, so it's pretty much, yeah, that's our problem. So let's fix here, but let's see how we initialize this thing. Okay, this comes from dependencies and his projectiles and projectiles. Resource loader fireball. Do we have it here? I mean, resource loader create fireball. Okay. Okay. Give me a moment. This one is undefined, so it should be like this, obviously. And in monster pack also. Okay. Guess now it should connect it. Okay. It spawned it at wrong place because yeah, I just copied paste, and let's see where it was. Cat demon, yeah, where? Okay, that was surprisingly easy, but we messed up rotation, so it attacks immediately. Let's do rotation here. All right. Yeah, works just fine. Well, I guess we're done with this part, but we're much more funny things coming related to saving and loading. So let's go there. Actually, you know what? Let's check melee attack on this thing. Okay, it bites. Probably could increase bite damage. Okay, Cat Demon. Melee damage like this. We could actually, in theory, move it here also, but probably that's fine. Okay, let's check. Okay. What's this? Okay. Figure out later. Oh, it's fine. Actually, we can think for the future to add these like explicit bounding boxes for like collision detection. It probably will help us to improve performance, so it will work more like it worked in first Quake, you know. The monsters were polygonal, but all these like collision detection was still cubic, so every monster pretty much had a cubic bounding box around it, and all hits were registered by that, and all like raycasting also relied on that. Okay, so saving loading. Luckily everything here is marked. Probably should add regions here, because seriously. Yeah, like that. That makes sense. So what does it do? It's pretty much call serialize on everything. mean, saving should be easier, actually. Let's just go through everything. So we have serialized function here somewhere. There's a lot of properties. Okay. Okay, but what I'm interested here. Okay. Yes, array. Savings. Monster instance. State, target. Okay. We go even fewer. Class type. Constructor name. I don't know how much we need it anymore. Okay. But what I was thinking, we should actually here switch to primitives. Yeah. And it will allow us to simplify code later, actually. So yeah, let's go. Of course, we could automate that and use Copilot to do this thing for us, but you know, just enjoying the moment. Appreciate some zen, you know. We're almost done. Alright, so what's now? Now we need to go here. Params and yeah. We're doing here Babylon, vector 3. From array. I believe this is how it falls. And goes like that. And here okay, I believe this is correct. And yeah. Okay. Let's see if we broke everything. No? Okay. That's fine. Well, this actually should help us to help us. Help us to create loading logic. Why I'm so slow? Okay. Okay. Saving should work as it worked before. Okay, let's do something. Let's kill one and okay, let's trigger one. Let's go with this one. Okay. Let's see. So monsters. Okay, class type gone. Doesn't make any sense anymore. This is probably bad thing because we need it. Well, everything else seems like okay. I only wanted to double check all these property names because I'm not sure. Should have like from array, right? Oh, it has small from array. Thought it has like static property from array. Yeah, that's what I meant. Okay, that's okay. Turning on, yeah. It has that and it has from array. Okay. Just to double check. Okay. Class type. We have it. But it's not being called. Type. Yeah, we need to look for property type. So let's go to here and let's serialize this type. Okay. Okay. I think it should be about right. Okay, let's do it again. So like this. Okay. So, and we have this one killed. Okay. And yeah, overall looks okay. Okay, so save file is okay now. Now loading. Load from save file. Load monsters. Okay, that will be completely different. We getting monster manager, we getting saved monsters. Okay. We're getting class type. But this one just have monster meshes. Right? We changed that. Yeah. So this will give us the mesh. Yeah. So using class type we can extract mesh. So this gives us mesh. So we have spawn monster, but we do it a bit different. We have spawn monsters. So we need these things. We need... We actually don't need to extract mesh. Do we have like name in the monster? Class type. We need class type, we need instance type, which is behavior type. Let's normalize it. Okay, we'll keep it for now like this. But I think we don't even need the mesh, I think. I probably even don't need the loop anymore. Let's just normalize things. So behavior type, if we go in PC, if we go serialize, we go behavior type and PC, behavior type, position rotation, position rotation. Have params, position, rotation, radius, projectile type. Okay. Let's pack it into params as well. Let's do the following. This. Actually. Name, yes. Then goes params. Okay, let's do radius. And all of this goes inside. So external things, there are only 3 of them: name, class type, and behavior type. Yeah. Okay. Okay, now we need to go through the whole monster, through all monsters pretty much, and check who is serialized. Okay, we add everything else in props, that's good. Okay, I lost it, but that's fine. Let's see how we movement attempt use goes to props. Okay, that's good. Okay, direction. Also goes to props. That's fine. Doesn't have serialize. Chase serialize. Tin. Okay, all goes to props. Have like additional thing. Right, I guess we will save everything into props sub-object, so all the dynamic data, which is, I think, really good that we did it that way to make some things much easier. So now restore. We will not really call restore anymore. We will just call restore props. Let me ensure that we don't have custom restore here. Oh, we have only restore props. Yeah, that's good. So just to be sure, let's cut it from here. We actually can call restore, but we just, yeah, that's actually fine. We just remove this because this will be reiterate on the first loop. So pretty much what we do, we just spawn all monsters from save file, and yeah, call restore on each of them. And that's about it. This restore will just restore state and call this sub property. I think it makes sense. So, okay, we have this for now, but what we do monster manager, spawn monsters, and okay, so our save file will be our monster pack now. We can run same function. But what we do, we should also call restore after we create it. So here we should, and that's okay, we can do it like in 2 runs, no problem at all. So what do? We need to extract monster pack, which is this thing, obviously. We do monster manager, spawn monsters. The monster pack will be this stuff pretty much. And after that, we call restore, but yeah, we have monster instances, we returned them, and we can restore every single one, but restore expects a saved file to it. I'm thinking how to do it gracefully. Actually, I think I know how to do it gracefully, because we already have props here, so if they set up when we restore them, that's fine. So let me recreate save file. Go. Hey. Let's go. Okay. Let's see what we have. We have monster, we have this thing, we have params. We have props, which includes state. Okay, but state here, yeah, that's a problem. Monster state, let me see. State, serialize. Okay, it saves it here, but we have problem here. Monster props state. It should have state, okay? So so if we have some props, we restore. Yeah, let's go. So after init, so if have props, when monster instance restore, and I do the whole thing. Okay, whatever. So yeah, because normally we don't have props here. Okay. And here, yeah, I guess that's all we have to do. Ah, okay. I see. Okay, let me see. I see. So that... Oh, I see. Restore props. Where do we restore state then? I see. Oh, it's fine. It's even easier. I can just remove it from here. Okay, that makes sense totally. So we just call it here and that's it. The only thing that we don't need this anymore because it's part of standard package restore props. The only thing is the state. State. Yeah, yes, we need to restore this somehow. Yeah, so we restore it in monster, restore. Okay, so I will just bring it down. Props. Let me just copy it from here, just in case. And I guess we don't need this like at all anymore. Okay, it all makes sense now. So means if we go here, oh, I guess that's it. This should work. I think we can just go directly. Wait a second. I'll just ensure that I'm not exposing anything bad. Anything what, well, not bad, but anything like confidential. Okay, it dies, but it's fine. Let's see what's going on step by step. Obviously it's happening. So, okay, let's just go. I think the problem should be like super easy. Let's go. Okay. Saved monsters. We have params. We have props. Let's see if it dies before that. Yeah, like it dies way earlier. Okay, which means that it cannot digest loading file. We can go here, spawn monsters, monster pack. Okay. Yeah, so name, class type, behavior type, params. Everything seemed to be working fine. Let's see when it dies. Okay, cat daemon instance, we extracted mesh. Everything goes fine. Ah, projectile, yeah, so it's undefined. We need to save projectile, like, okay, that makes sense. So it's only for monsters and projectile type. When we initialize it, monster okay, combat unit params. Okay, projectile. Need to extract projectile type somehow. Let's see. So we can do combat unit. So we can go projectile. Yeah. Okay. His name should be projectile name, pretty much. Where do we get projectile mesh? We pass it in as a param. Here. Yeah, projectile type. Projectiles. Okay. Projectiles. Do we have like ID or name? Okay, I see. Okay. Go here. Let's go here. Resource loader. Fireball. If we name it that way. Okay. So then let's go here and that's how it should be approached. So this. Then we go okay. Let's go maybe monster. Okay, combat unit. Okay, do we have projectile typing params? Why it's not defined? Ah, okay. We have these params. Yeah, we have projectile typing params. Okay. That's all I wanted to know. We have params and we have type. Yes. Type. Params. Type. And let's go here. Just like this. Okay. Now let's do that everywhere. Have combat unit, and we have flying combat unit. Doesn't do much. Okay, we have turret. Okay, have this thing. We have type, yes, like this, and we have cat demon in a separate file. Okay, so replace this. Type. Okay. That's probably best thing to do when projectile has serialized projectile. Yeah, has all that stuff, but we should also type this type, and let me check fireball. Doesn't do much here. Okay, so this is how we can get types inside those things. Okay, we have. All right, let's go. This thing. Rocks. Okay, so okay, it's fine. We just need to add it here as well. Actually, we can add it on monster level. This goes to params. In fact, I think I will better do it here. Params. Yeah, like this. Have it. Okay, whatever. So let's go here. Let's go here. Okay, have this. Okay, very good. Okay. Okay. It didn't restore position and location, unfortunately. Which means our like serialization doesn't work good. I think it restored position, but not current one. Okay, when we call serialize, we send it to position like this. As array, okay. Let me see again what we have loaded here. Like here. Is it problem in the file or in the code? So okay, params. Okay, we go here and goes here, params, and we have rotation pattern on here. Okay. Which has some value, okay. Very good. Okay, we spawned it. Our regular rotation doesn't exist. Params pattern on. Okay. That's on me. And when we serialize, very good. And when we serialize, okay, we just call. Yeah, it's fine. Which means that technically, right now it should load correct. No, it decides just to die. Okay, so let's see at which point it dies. Wow, very fast. Okay. Okay. Clear as day. Yeah, okay. Now let's try to save the state. Okay. All right, let's go. Works. Let's try something else. We'll try to load like animation step. I would not say that it works well. Think something is not right there. Okay, let me see. Melee attack. Melee attack current step. Okay. I don't know. It's actually works. Well, I guess we done with this. And since we started doing this like region markup, let's just finish it. Region. I think it's quite nice. Okay. No, it's not really class name, so we can just go like this, small small letter. Okay. I think just this is nice thing to have. Switches. Okay. All right. Okay. It has that intermediate map, I guess. I don't know what purpose of it. Pilot decided to go on vacation, I guess. Okay. Funds. Nice. Okay. Oh, that's a lot still. But I think it's worth it because look how neat it becomes. I think we can do here like this. this put into the region. And here go region animations and region animations and okay. Go away. Okay. Here. Okay. Lights. That's still a lot. Okay, that's also. I think I go with, yeah, I think that makes sense. Okay. Well, I'm not sure why all these things here for. I can investigate later, of course. Okay, here just functions. Yeah, we have nice sections for everywhere, for everything. So let's go all over the files. Let's see what we change. Resource loader, create fireball always. That's gone, that's good. Okay, we hide mesh on import. Probably want to add it for consistency. Yeah, pretty much right now only initialize the mesh. That's about it. So here all these dependencies and pretty much only one function. Okay. Actually, let's check that this works fine. Okay, that's gone. It's good. Let's it in this file here. Just interface. Here's small thing here and here. This, okay, this class gone. This class rewritten pretty much. Okay, that's clear. Here, all this class is gone. Here, okay. Okay. Yeah. Sure. Just changing interfaces everywhere, pretty much. Here a bit interesting. So name of monster instance and projectile name. Okay, type, okay. Same thing here. So we save type, and here we save type. Okay, that's about it. We go here. Okay, okay, it's all predictable. Okay. Monster pack. Okay. And here, get rid of this. Okay. Okay, when everything is loaded. Okay. Pass projectiles here. Possible. So like connect it inside. And here, okay. Yeah, for the next time we will ensure that all our intermediate monsters are still working. We will transfer them as well here to the monster pack, but this for the next time, and for this time I just want to check something again. So I want to damage this thing so bad. Okay, so we have here monsters, cat demon, and params. It's still a lot of health. Okay, so let's do it again. We have too much. Okay. So here, monsters, health. empty. Okay, that's enough, that's enough. Actually, yeah, it's went down quite quickly compared to initial. Yeah, I think health is working. Okay, let's commit this. Monster refactoring. Alright, I think that says what we want. Okay, let's save here. And for the next time, we will move all that remaining monsters to the monster pack and ensure that their mechanics are not broken. For example, like pusher mechanic and the fact that climbable property is still working, and some other things. Maybe do a bit more testing on that. But yeah, the core is working and we got rid of like a lot of code. We removed these descriptor classes and all our descriptors now are serializable objects, and our saving and loading of the game uses the same format, which allows us to reuse the same function, which simplifies loading logic down to just this. We just get this section from the load file and just spawn it. And like, yeah, couple secondary functions call. That's nice. I think this is how it's supposed to be compared to our other sections, some of them at least. But yeah, this change actually will greatly simplify the scaling of our engine, and we can do fewer optimizations. Alright, that's it. That's about it. Thank you everyone for watching. I see you next week. Thank you. Bye.